I feel that we are living in a dangerous India, and I am endorsing it in what I am saying. Yes, I feel that we are living in a dangerous India because I think in today's India, one cannot express or react what he feels. I fail to know where is that constitution, where is that Ambedkar, where is that right, freedom of expression gone? And that is the reason I feel that we are living in a dangerous India. Because right is considered wrong and wrong is considered right today's day. There is no freedom of expression. And why I say this? Because I am condemning, and I am strongly condemning the death, the murder which has taken place of our crusader, activist, a journalist. ही जर्नलिस्ट बाय गौरी लंकेश हांची जी हत्या जाल्ली आसा आय मीन आउटसायड अ हाऊस ताच्याच घरा भायल्यान ताच्याच वरांडान काल बेंगलोर ह्या सिटीन तिची हत्या जाल्ली आसा. ही एक जर्नलिस्ट, एक एक्टिविस्ट आशिल्ली who was a fearless lady who always spoke against the right wing. She always spoke against the Saffron Brigade. ती सदांच those who are working against the communal harmony, कास्टाचे अगेन्स्ट, कम्युनलिझाचे अगेन्स्ट ही बायल सदांच उबी रावताली. सो वी कंडेम दीस. आनी बाय जर्नलिस्ट हाजेर मर्डर जाल्या आनी फाटले तांचे एक्टिविस्ट आसा तांचे जाल्या हाचेर आमी निशेध करता. महिला काँग्रेस कंडेम्स दीस. And again I am saying that it is high time that we stand by such journalists who fight against the wrong, who stand against the communalism, who speak out and who don't fear, who are fearless.